Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to vectorize your images using AI tool. Here you can go and search for Recraft. Using this AI tool you can easily generate your logo, you can create images, you can also vectorize your images. So let me click here. First of all, you can create a free account. Simply you can go and click on Try Recraft Studio. And then here you can easily create your free accounts. You can use your Google account, Discord and Apple. And then click on create new project. And here you can upload your image. Let me select this image. Now scroll down. Here you can add what you want to do with your image. For example, let me type vectorize this image. Then you can also add here negative prompt. If you want to remove anything, then click on modify image. So guys, here you can see image is converted into the vector format. We can export it into different formats. So let me select this one, SVG, then click on export button. Now we can open this image. Here you can see. So within a single click you can easily change your images into vector format.